Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Islamic Study MCQs 200 to 250. 201. Which prophet invented soap? Answer is Prophet Saleh alayhi salam. Which prophet invented soap? Answer is Prophet Saleh alayhi salam. 2. Who introduced police system? Answer is Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu anhu. Who introduced police system? Answer is Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu anhu. 3. Facsimile of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was. Answer is Hazrat Musab bin Umair. Facsimile of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was dash. Answer is Hazrat Musab bin Umair. 4. Mughal Emperor Akbar enforced Deen-e Ilahi in dash. Answer is 1582. Mughal Emperor Akbar enforced Deen-e Ilahi in dash. Answer is 1582. 5. Who was made governor of South Yemen by Holy Prophet? Answer is Mahaz bin Jabal. Who was made governor of South Yemen by Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Answer is Mahaz bin Jabal. 6. The khutbah of Hajj sermon is delivered in which mosque? Answer is Masjid-e-Nabawi. The khutbah of Hajj is delivered in which mosque? Answer is Masjid-e-Nabawi. 7. The book Kitab al-Amwal or the book of revenue was written by Abu Ubaid Qasim ibn Salam. The book Kitab al-Amwal or the book of revenue was written by Abu Ubaid Qasim ibn Salam. 8. The famous personalities whom accepted Islam after the conquest of Makkah were Suhail bin Amr, Akrimah bin Abu Jahl, son of Abu Jahl, Abu Sufyan, and Hinda, wife of Abu Sufyan. The famous personalities whom accepted Islam after the conquest of Makkah were Suhail bin Amr, Ikrimah bin Abu Jahl, son of Abu Jahl, Abu Sufyan, and Hinda, wife of Abu Sufyan. 9. The Battle of Yarmouk was fought during the Caliphate of dash. Answer is Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu anhu. The Battle of Yarmouk was fought during the Caliphate of Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu anhu. 10. The commandment of observing fast has been stipulated in the surah. Answer is Surah Baqarah. The commandment for observing fast has been stipulated in the surah. Answer is Surah Baqarah. 11. How many rukuns are there in Surah Al-Baqarah? How many rukus are there in Surah Al-Baqarah? Answer is 40. How many rukus are there in Surah Al-Baqarah. Answer is 40. 12. Which was the first institution of Islam? Which was the first institution of Islam? Answer is Safa. Which was the first institution of Islam? Answer is Safa. 13. How many sunnah in the 4 fries of wuzu or ablution? Answer is 13. How many sunnah in the 4th phrase of wuzu or ablution? Answer is 13. 14. Battle of Qadsiya was fought against the Persian in dash AD. Answer is 636 AD. Battle of Qadsiya was fought against the Persian in dash AD. Answer is 636 AD. 15. The first meal in Jannah will be dash. Answer is fish liver. The first meal in Jannah will be fish liver. 16th. Tafsir al-Quran al-Azim was written by Ismail bin Kathir ibn al-Athir. Kathir ibn al-Athir. Tafsir al-Quran al-Azim was written by dash. Answer is Ismail bin Kathir ibn al-Athir. Ismail bin Kathir or ibn al-Athir. 17. Hazrat Ubaidah bin al-Jarrah had the title of. Answer is Aminul Ummat. Hazrat Ubaidah bin al-Jarrah had the title of. Answer is Aminul Ummat. How many verses in Surah Nisa? Answer is 176. How many verses in Surah An-Nisa? Answer is 176. 19. Who established the foundation of Umayyad dynasty? Answer is Hazrat Amir Muawiyah radhiyallahu anhu. Who established the foundation of Umayyad dynasty? Answer is Hazrat Amir Muawiyah radhiyallahu anhu. 20. Who was the first preacher of Islam appointed by Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for the people of Medina? Answer is Hazrat Musab ibn Umair radhiyallahu anhu. Who was first preacher of Islam appointed by Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for the people of Medina? Answer is Hazrat Musab ibn Umair radhiyallahu anhu. 21. In which surah of the Holy Quran and the word Khatimun Nabiyyin is mentioned? Answer is Surah Al-Ahzab. In which surah of the Holy Quran the word Khatimun Nabiyyin is mentioned? Answer is Surah Al-Ahzab. 22. Du'a Qanut is recited in dash prayer. Answer is Witr. 23. Current Hijri year is dash. Answer is 14th 42. Current Hijri year is dash. Answer is 14th 42 is after Hijrah. 24. Which surah of Holy Quran throws light on the halal and haram of sacrificial animals? Answer is Surah Al-Ma'idah. Which surah of Holy Quran throws light on the halal and haram of sacrificial animals? Answer is Surah Al-Ma'idah. 25. How many times the word Allah is repeated in the Holy Quran? Answer is 2698 times. How many times the word Allah is repeated in the Holy Quran? Answer is 2698 times. 26. Who translated Holy Quran in Persian? Answer is Shah Waliullah. Who translated Holy Quran in Persian? Answer is Shah Waliullah. 27. Who was called as kidnapper of the scholars? Answer is Mahmud Ghaznavi. Who was called as kidnapper of the scholars? Answer is Mahmud Ghaznavi. The order of appearance of Surah Al-Kahf in the Holy Quran is dash. Answer is 18. The order of appearance of Surah Al-Kahf in the Holy Quran is dash. Answer is 18. 29. Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu anha, the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziyallahu anha, got married to dash. Hazrat Zubair ibn al-Awam Raziyallahu anha. Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu anha, the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziyallahu anha, got married to Hazrat Zubair ibn al-Awam Raziyallahu anha. 30. Which prophet earned his living by making wallets? Answer is Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam. Which prophet earned his living by making wallets? Answer is Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam. 31. How many surahs name are with only one letter? Answer is 3. How many surahs names are with only one letter? Answer is 3. 32. Which surah of Holy Quran has 200 verses? Answer is Surah Al-Imran. Which surah of Holy Quran has 200 verses? Answer is Surah Al-Imran. 33. Dash will be first person questioned on day of Qiyamah. Answer is Jibreel alayhi salam. Dash will be first person questioned on day of Qiyamah. Answer is Jibreel alayhi salam. 34. Islamic official seal started in dash. Answer is 7th after Hijrah. Islamic official seal started in dash. Answer is 7th after Hijrah. 35. Torah means law. Torah means answer is law. 36. How many types of tawaf are there? Answer is 7. How many types of tawaf are there? Answer is 7. 37. A person who has an intention to offer only Hajj at Miqat is called Mufrid. A person who has intention to offer only Hajj at Miqat is called Mufrid. 38. Consensus of opinion stands for dash. Answer is Ijma. Consensus of opinion stands for answer is Ijma. 39. The name of the fifth kalma is Kalma-e-Istighfar. The name of the fifth kalma is Kalma-e-Istighfar. 40. Ayatul Kursi is in which surah of the Holy Quran? Answer is Surah Al-Baqarah. Ayatul Kursi is in which surah of the Holy Quran? Answer is Surah Al-Baqarah. 41. Surah Naml means a dash. Answer is ant. Surah Naml means a dash. Answer is ant. 42. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhis salam name mentioned in the Holy Quran dash time. Answer is 67 times. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhis salam name mentioned in the Holy Quran dash times. Answer is 67 times. 43. Dash city is called home of Hadith. Answer is Medina. Dash city is called home of Hadith. Answer is Medina. 44. Dash is the best drink mentioned in Holy Quran. Answer is milk. Dash is the best drink mentioned in the Holy Quran. Answer is milk. 45. In Surah Dash, every verse ends with the letter Dal. Answer is Surah Ikhlas. In Surah Dash, every verse ends with letter Dal. Answer is Surah Ikhlas. 46. The third daughter of our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was Hazrat Kulthum radhiyallahu anha. The third daughter of our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was dash. Answer is Hazrat Kulthum radhiyallahu anha. 47. Which is 6th month of Islamic calendar? Answer is Jumadiyus-Sani. Which is 6th month of Islamic calendar? Answer is Jumadiyus-Sani. 48. In how many years Makki Surah were revealed? Answer is 13 years. In how many years Makki Surah were revealed? Answer is 13 years. 49. Fasting demands total abstinence from dash. Answer is smoking, sex, eating and drinking, etc. Fasting demands total abstinence from smoking, sex, eating and drinking. 50. The second Ashra of Ramadan is called Ashra-e-Maghfirat. The second Ashra of Ramadan is called Ashra-e-Maghfirat.